Welcome back. Walanka Alemau's panel won NSUI elections with a sweeping majority against the panel known to be staged by Vijay Sardesai. The new president of NSUI, Gitesh Kharnekar, and his panel has demanded MP ticket of Congress for Walanka Alemau in South Goa. 17 colleges and 1,105 members were a part of the state-level elections.
Walanka Alemau's panel has won the state NSUI election 2014 with a thumping majority. Gitesh Kharnekar has been elected as the new president of NSUI. A total of 17 colleges and 1,105 members had registered for the voting. 25 members of NSUI went head-to-head for various posts in the students' organization. NSUI has demanded Congress South Goa MP's ticket for Walanka Alemau.
आणि आम सगळ्याकडे मागता जेन्ना आमकां जी एमपी टिकेट सावथ गोवा ती आमकां वालंका जाय सगळे आमी सावथ गोवा भुरगे वालंका टिकेट मागता एमपीची.
Walanka Alemau says youth has a right to demand and given a responsibility, she will prove the capability.
They are asking for South Goa ticket.
See, that is their demand.
What do you feel?
Given a responsibility, I have to contest.
The actions of small and big-wig congressmen of Goa are set to create a lot of stir with 3 aspirants aiming for Lok Sabha ticket in South Goa. Reporter Pratik Parab for Prudent.
Students of Kirti Vidyalaya at Shioli boycotted classes on Wednesday. They have demanded reinstatement of suspended headmaster Suryakant Naik. The headmaster has been suspended for alleged misconduct. Peon of the school had accused headmaster of assaulting him. Education department has suspended the headmaster for 3 months and now the students are agitated.
तीन महिन्या खाली ताका सस्पेंड केल्लो आसा कित्याक सांगता मिसकंडक्ट हे तेणे अशें घातलेलें आसा पण आतां हे सस्पेन्शन जेन्ना ऑर्डर जेन्ना पास जाल्या तेन्ना कितें ताका शोकत नोटीस बी दिल्ली
ना ताका शोकत नोटीस पयलीं केलो
मागीर डायरेक्ट
ताका पयलीं मेमोरेंडम दिलो पण मेमोरेंडम हेका इशू केल्लो बजेटूच दिना त्या पर आमी खूब आनी कितें ह्या लेपल ग्रावंड तेच आमी सबमीट केलें ऑन दॅट ग्रावंड एज अ रिस्पॉन्सीव ऑथॉरिटीन आमकां हे दिला इनिशियल आनी सस्पेन्शन इज नॉट पनिशमेंट इट इज जस्ट ताका दिसलो ना जाल्यार फेर इन्क्वायरी जावपाक.
Parents were also agitated as students were stranded outside the school for long hours.
हे घराची प्रॉब्लेम मरे हे आमकां पेरेंट्सांक मदीं घालता आतां हेंची घरा कडेन झगडी जाल्या मरे घरा कडेन सॉर्ट आउट करा ती भुरग्यांक घालूं नाका न्हय. आतां आठांक म्हाजी भुरगीं आतां 7:30 येयल्लीं आहा आजून सुद्दां भायर आहाय कोण रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेता हेची पडले बीन नाल्यार आतां गोर येवन बसोंक सर पडल्या घरा मरे आतां दुसऱ्यान कोणी तरी टेक ओवर घेतल्या न्हू आतां तो आतां येयला आमच्या भुरग्यांक भितर घाला कित्याक घालूंक जाय भितर सकाळीं कित्याक येवंक ना तर तो आमी आतां पेरेंट्स उठल्या म्हणून तो येयला आनी मदीं भितर घ्या खंय पेरेंट्स हेका भुरग्यांक.
Omkar Farari for Prudent.
R.C.C Fatorda collected a whopping 39 gold medals to win the team championship at the 46th State Athletics Meet at Kampal. R.C.C Kampal finished second as the 2-day competition drew to a close on Wednesday evening. Young state athletes Vasudev and Tanvi were declared best athlete in the boys and girls category. Over 800 athletes took part in the championship, with 9-year-old Ian Suarez being the youngest participant.
Good, sir. Address made at you.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.